Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to manage an employee on Liquor POS. The procedure I'm gonna take today to show you how to manage your employee on the software. You guys can use it to add or change employee information, add a photo of the employee, send out email message to the employees, set security level of an employee, and also set a password for an employee. So let me show you the step you guys should take to manage your employee on the software. The first you will have to go to list at the top, and then if you click on list, you will go to employees, and then you will open up this window. And in this window, what is it? This is the list of employee that's already created for the system. And then if you wanna add an employee, at the top where it says details, if you click details, and then you will see a bunch of options you have. For example, you see new, edit, delete, pictures, email, security. Let me telling you the purpose of each of these button. The new button is there to create employee. If you click new, you'll see you have the options to create an ID for the employee. For example, I'm just gonna create a random ID. Let's just say 255, and then you put the employee last name. For example, let me put John. Sorry, and then for the first name, I will put Peter. John Peter. That's a very funny name. And you put the address if you want to. For example, let me put our company address, which is 555 Cedar Lane, and connect on the NJ, which is represent New Jersey, NJ. And oops, what did I do? And the zip code that I believe it's 07666. Alright, just random address I'll put, for example, and then you put the email address if you have to, and then the phone number if you would have to, and then the date of birth, the date of birth, and then the positions if you want to, and then you will click save, the save button. And then this button, the edit button, is to edit. For example, let me show you. If you go to the list, you can see the employee that I just created. And then for example, the edit button is there to edit any information you mistaken or forget to put. For example, in this case, there is no social security setup for this employee. If I go to the details again, and then this is the employee I just created, it John, and then I go to the edit button, and then I add them a social security, and then you click save, and if you go to the list, you shall see the changes is made. And then the delete button is if you want to delete the employee. For example, if John is no longer work for the company, you don't want John to come and still have access on the system. So this button is there to delete an employee that's no longer work for the company. And then the picture button is to set up a picture. So since I don't have any files installed on the computer, so I can't. And the email, you see, oh my let's see, for example, say George Bush is John. Alright, this is funny anyway. And then the email button is to email the employee, but there's no email set up for the employee yet. This you use it to send out email to your employees. And then the security key is to set up password to the for the employee. For example, user may change the password if they like to, or you can choose user may not change the password if they want to, and then you set the password for them. Um, Set a password for them, and then you just created a new employee. And thanks you guys. This is the way you guys manage employee on Liquor POS. Um, Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video tutorial of the Liquor POS. Bye now.